Hi, I'm Zach, and welcome to the future with Doosan. The term Industry 4.0 encompasses a promise of infinite possibilities found only by our imagination. In the core of the idea, there exists one key element that enables Industry 4.0. It's the robotics. Think of a robot. Probably what comes to mind is a bulky machine, living in a simple motion, completely useless at home or at work. Maybe in 10 or 20 years from now, there'll be robots to help us move boxes, assemble something, maybe cook, even make a coffee. But it's not just some cool idea happening in the future. All over the world, robots are working side by side with humans every single day, improving the quality of people's lives. You may wonder, aren't robots just for factories? However, these conventional industrial robots have a clear distinction with collaborative robots. It's the safety. The industrial robots you know are so intimidating they can only be used with safety fences. Thus, they can't even work with or even be near humans. On the contrary, collaborative robots are safe. They can work together with people without a fence. Then do all collaborative robots guarantee the same level of safety, you may ask? Unfortunately, the answer is no. But Doosan collaborative robots boast the world's best safety functions. Being the embodiment of our human-centered philosophy, the robot is designed to be safe in every square inch. And it has the highest number of safety certifications in the entire industry. The M series, which is the absolute masterpiece of Doosan. It has high-tech torque sensors mounted on all 6 axes, so it can detect even the slightest collision and stop immediately. And our new A series uses AI technology to thoroughly protect user safety and overcomes the limitations of current-based collision detection. You can restrict Doosan robots' working range within the blue area. You can separate the robot working space and the collaborative working space like a virtual fence, so people can always be safe around Doosan robots. Doosan Robots is also well known for its easy operation and intuitive user experience. Until today, you practically had to be a robot programmer to operate a robot. Conventional robots use a dozen lines of code for one simple movement. That's why Doosan robots visualize frequently used skills in the form of icons. This friendly user interface makes Doosan robots easy to program for anyone, including children and the elderly. In addition, you can complete the robot programming simply by moving the robot head and put it in the right position, all while pushing the 5-button cockpit button, which is a 5-button direct teaching unit. Finally, what really distinguishes Doosan robots as the world's leader is the dexterity. What you're looking at is an assembly of gears that requires the teeth of several different gears to fit together perfectly. Doosan robots perform just like human hands, to delicately rotate the gears until finding the right position. This is possible because Doosan robots are equipped with innovative robot control algorithms, such as force control and compliance control. Having all the outstanding features I've already mentioned, Doosan Robots expands the landscape of automation. And with the launch of our new A series, Doosan has the widest product lineup in the world. Doosan robots are already being used in other industries like construction, food service, and other consumer industries. This graphic shows how Doosan robots perform the majority of automotive manufacturing. We do an impeccable job polishing. In addition, our robots can be equipped with a heavy tool to move in a relatively wide working radius to apply glue to a car's interior. Also, they allow complete contact with the car seat and a 20-pound heavy tool for accurate test results every single time. In addition, by fastening bolts that are in ergonomically inconvenient positions, Doosan robots prevent injuries for human workers. These are examples that would have been impossible to automate using conventional industrial robots. But Doosan has successfully combined using force and compliance control. Doosan robots are widely used in various industries, such as energy, machinery, electronics, chemical, clothing, cosmetics, and they can even be used to make my personal favorite, fried chicken. You'll find that Doosan robots are even more versatile than you could have ever imagined. Pack and sort thousands of different products. On construction sites, carry out dangerous high-risk tasks. Manage harmful materials. And in the medical field, delicately treat patients with Doosan's high dexterity. But we don't stop there. We can do things at home, like wash your dishes, do your hair, help tend to the garden, and even help us recycle our trash. So now, you've seen how Doosan collaborative robots can improve our lives. I bet some good ideas are coming into your mind right now about how you can implement Doosan robots in your life or even workplace. Please, take a good look at some of the demonstrations that we prepared for you today that'll give you inspiration on how they can be applied to your life. We'll turn your imagination into reality. Now, it's your turn to make the change. Switch on the future with Doosan robots.